New Jersey has a variety of different trout species, from the common stocked rainbow trout to the extremely rare wild tiger trout. The palomino trout is a hybrid rainbow trout that is genetically modified. They do not occur naturally in the wild, but are captive bred and stocked in rivers and lakes. Brown trout are also a non-native species of trout originating from Europe. They too have adapted greatly and have been naturally spawning in rivers and streams here in the U.S. Brown trout are a favorite of many trout fishermen because of how smart and strong they are. The biggest brown trout we have come into contact with was around 16 inches. Fishing for trout can be a huge challenge, but it is very exciting and extremely rewarding. Trout can get huge in rivers and lakes due to ample supplies of food. Trout feed on aquatic insects, crayfish, leeches, fish eggs, and other fish. They are without question the most majestic fish in New Jersey. Rainbow trout originate from the Pacific and are a non-native trout species to New Jersey. Despite this, they have found their place in the river ecosystem. Rainbow trout adapt well to new environments. This is why they are one of the most common species of trout here in the Northeast. Rainbow trout are a favorite food for fishermen, as well as any animal that can get their hands on one of these. Rainbow trout are named after their beautiful color display. So far, the biggest rainbow trout we have come into contact with was a 19.5-inch fish found in a secret location. Brook trout are very rare in New Jersey. This is why we call them the gem of the creek. The brook trout was named New Jersey's state fish in 1992 and is the state's only native trout. They technically are a species of char, not trout. However, they are in the same family as trout and have trout-like features. Trout fishing is a very fun activity. No matter what species you catch, it is always rewarding to catch these incredible fish. Remember, proper handling of trout is key to their survival. Keeping your hands wet while handling reduces stress. If you ever go out trout fishing, be sure to stay safe and, most importantly, have a great time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. In the comment section, let us know what creatures we should make a video on in the future. Subscribe to see new wild adventures.